Dear students, welcome to the mini 3-week Math 13-14 College Algebra class with the instructor Fatma Tamer. I hope this is going to be a very smooth, easygoing 3 weeks and you will all be successful when you are taking this class. I would like to start with our syllabus and the important rules for this class. This is my name, and this is the email address that I want you to use anytime you have a question or concern to talk to me. And then my cell phone number is recorded here, but I will be only able to reply to your text messages during the weekdays from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. I don't have an official student hour, but if you email me, I will do my best to meet with you online when you need to meet. And then I created a lot of videos for this class, and then I put them on a YouTube playlist. If you click on this link on the syllabus, you can access to the videos for each of these assignments for this course. I also put the links on D2L, and I will show you what's another way to access to the videos. For this course will be taking place during the winter mini 3-week session, and this is a fully online course that you can do the assignments whenever you have time within the due dates. These are the student learning outcomes, and it talks about the lessons that you're going to learn by taking this class. And then these are the core objectives we want you to accomplish by taking this class. You do not need to buy a textbook, but everyone has to have access to my MATLAB code. All the assignments, including the final exam and the tests, will be done by using my MATLAB. So it is mandatory that you have to have a my MATLAB access code. There is no need to purchase any calculators. All the questions on this course will be solved without a calculator. But if you do need to use any calculator, feel free to use the online Desmos calculator. Now, since this is an online course, I will not track the attendance in person, but I will confirm your attendance by D2L course logins and assignment submissions on my LabMath when I have the official ODR dates. The best way to reach me is the email. Please do not DM me on the D2L. When you use the email and then send me the email, I actually get the notification on my cell phone. But if you use the D2L DM feature, I don't see those messages or emails until I actually log into the D2L. And then directly email me using this address, and I will be responding within 24 to 48 business hours. If you don't get a response, please email me again. Now, because this is such a short semester, total 3 weeks, and it's only 15 school days, there is no late work option. It is impossible to accept any late work. All assignments on my MATLAB except for 2 will be available starting on the very first day of the semester, which is December 15 by the midnight. And it will close, all the assignments will close on January 3rd at 11:59 p.m. This is in the syllabus that none of these assignments will be extended for further date. However, the 2 assignments, the first one is factoring practice. This is due on December 16th midnight. And then the second assignment, Math 0314 practice number 1, is due by December 17th midnight. Only these 2 assignments are due within 2 days, and the dates will not be extended. And all other assignments, including the final exam, they're all due by the last day of the semester for students, which is January 3rd, 11:59 p.m. Any assignments not submitted by the due date will receive a default grade of 0. Your final grade will be based on the assignments you complete, and you will earn points towards your final grade as you submit my MATLAB assignments. I will explain this part further when I'm showing you the D2L setup. So everybody's grade is set up to a 0% at the beginning of the semester. As you guys submit your MyLab assignments, your grade is going to increase from 0% to the grade that you earn in the class. Now, again, no makeup assignments for this 3-week course, so please strictly obey the due dates for each of these assignments and tests. None of them will be extended. There is no time to extend it. I want to also take your special attention for all of my MATLAB assignments. Start and end date is according to the Eastern time. So it's going to be 1 hour ahead of our Central time, because my MATLAB was set up, the software was set up for Eastern time. So please make sure that you don't wait for last minute. I will not be able to open any of those assignments because it says that all the assignment dates are for Eastern time zone. Now, the official day of record, students that have not enrolled to my MATLAB course or that have not logged into D2S system prior to the official day of record will be dropped from the course without exception. And an official day of record for this course is December 17th. And then withdrawal policy, you can read the details of the withdrawal policy. These are the important dates for this 3-week mini session. Beginning date is December 16th. ODR date is December 17th. So if you haven't submitted your first assignment factoring practice before the midnight on the very first day, you will be dropped from the course. Similarly, if you haven't submitted your second assignment by the December 17th by midnight, you will be dropped from the course due to ODR date. This is the midpoint MDR. And then if you want to withdraw yourself from the course, not to get an F, you can do this by December 31st. And then the semester ends on January 1st, but all assignments will be due 2 days earlier on a Friday. So you can read about the rest of the rules on the syllabus to understand the other important rules. Your grade will be determined using 3 categories. We have homework assignments, we have 3 exams, and we have 1 final exam. All of these assignments are on my MATLAB, Pearson My MATLAB. All of your homework assignments, their average is going to affect your grade by 35%. You're going to have total of 3 exams, and they're going to all show up under test category. And these 3 exams, their average is going to affect your grade by 45%. You have 1 final exam created under quiz category on my MATLAB, and it's a cumulative test. This is going to affect your grade by 20% for this course. And then this table here shows what do you need to accomplish to earn these letter grades, and you can check your grades by, you can check your letter grade once you know your average for this course. This is the assignment order that you're gonna see on my MATLAB. And then it is also the order of the exams. It shows the order of the chapters we're gonna cover. The very last lesson we're gonna do here is 6.6, logarithmic and exponential equations. You will take a test on chapter 6, and then you will take the final exam to finish this course. And then you are very welcome to read this syllabus further and then ask me your questions if there is any. This is the syllabus update.